Get ready for this 10-minute booty sculpting workout with Jennifer Lopez's trainer, David Kirsch.
Okay, I've got Rachel and Anna in the house. Rachel's gonna show modifieds to the moves. Anna's gonna go hardcore with me. All right, we're gonna start with lower body squats. You're gonna put your brain in your butt.
Awesome.
Feet out nice and wide. The weight is gonna stay in your heels. The brain is gonna be right here. Hands on your hips, core tight and down, knees out. Working the adductors, inner thighs, working the glutes. Nothing jiggling. Nothing jiggling.
Nope.
Sit, squeeze it up, Ladies, you feel that?
Yes.
Good, it's a good warm up. We got 10 seconds.
This feels like the workout.
And we're gonna grab the dumbbells now.
And a stretch.
And squats, curls to shoulder presses. Keep your core engaged.
Oh, wow, yeah. This is working a lot of muscle groups
Right?
at once.
I don't care about the weight, guys. Keep your core tight, engage your biceps, your core. Rachel, I know you've got water bottles there.
Can you hear my water bottle?
I do, I hear it, it's good.
I love that you can use whatever you got.
No excuses, guys. You don't need to be in the gym. You don't need massive free weights. Be mindful of what you're doing. No wasted energy, no wasted movement. We got 10 seconds.
Love it. It's burning.
Last one. Nice. Okay, put those dumbbells down.
Whole body's warm now.
All right. We're gonna go to lateral lunge, guys. Put your heel right on the glider, and we're gonna step right out.
It's like
Good.
multitasking with the towel. Clean your floor.
Right, Rach, you got the towel there, right?
I
Again,
do.
no excuses. You don't need a glider.
Yep.
Although you can get them anywhere. Amazon, they're pretty cheap.
Paper plates even sometimes.
Love working my inner thighs. I love that paper plate, Anna. That's great. Couple more.
Oh my gosh, this is intense.
This is lovely.
Let's go to the other side. Keep the weight in your heel, inner thighs and glutes. Inner thighs. You're gonna pass that jiggle test.
I like how you've got us
Open.
on our heel too, because that's really getting that stretch in my inner thigh even more. I feel that.
Absolutely. I like to visualize what I'm doing, right?
Yeah.
So the more I nail it in my heel, the more I feel it on my glutes and inner thighs.
Yep.
Got a few more there.
Woo!
You're right. When you say put your mind in the muscle group, you feel it 10 times more.
Yeah, I love that.
Okay, now we're gonna do reverse lunges. Rachel, the first time I told a client to put their brain in it, but they looked at me like, what are you talking about? I love working with the gliders, right? Because of the instability of the glider, you're forcing your hamstrings and your inner thighs and getting a great, great stretch in your glutes. You feel that, guys? You get back even further than you thought you could. And let's switch it.
You.
Amazing. I love it.
You can see there's a cardio component
Definitely.
to doing this workout. Lower body workouts are very effective for that.
Large muscle groups, right?
Absolutely. Brain is down here. And by the way, my butt's on fire right now.
Fire.
Slightly, yes.
30 seconds. 30 seconds. A little more because I love these.
And I like how, since we did the inner thighs first, I feel it even more now on these reverse lunges.
Absolutely. So I look at the body, Anna, and I like to break it down into parts, right?
Yep.
So you've got your glutes and your inner thighs, and your butt is one of those areas that...
Woo. Oh my goodness.
Okay, take a second.
Oh my gosh.
Let's shake it out a
Who's
little bit.
about to give out?
All right. What I was saying is I like to section my butt.
Yep.
Right? So The next thing we're gonna do, plie toe squats. Inner thighs again.
Okay.
I'm all about that. And you gotta grab your dumbbells.
Okay.
So we're gonna go plie toe squats and front raises. Compound movement, working inner thighs, butt, and shoulders.
Oh yeah. Calves a little there too, right?
It's a beautiful cumulative effect to the workout. That's what I really love about it, right? There's no wasted motion, no wasted energy. The idea of a 2-hour workout is something that just seems so ridiculously wasteful now, right?
Right.
Mindful workout. Rachel, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling good. I'm on my left leg now.
Modifier works, right?
Yes.
Again, no excuses. Great for every fitness level. Okay, let's put it down. Whoa.
Shoulders starting to burn there.
Second, right? Yeah. So we're gonna do reverse crossover lunge now, side lateral.
Okay.
Okay, start with your right leg back.
Oh wow, yeah.
I feel like it's easier for me to track my knee over my heel because of all the glides that we did.
Everything is loose, right?
I'm more in tune with my body.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, listen up, keep on going.
Wow.
I'm gonna say something.
Oh my gosh.
I don't
We got
want
this,
you
girl.
going through the motions, all right? You need a second, reconnect your brain to the part of your body you're going.
Yep.
Really important, take it down and go all the way down. It's gotta feel right. If you're thinking about it, it's effective.
Whew. And like you said,
Definitely full
if
body.
your shoulders are just about done, put your weights down and keep going. I had your permission earlier, right? That's right.
You're doing great.
Woo!
Now, we're gonna do my favorite
Okay.
lower body exercise. It's called platypus walk.
Okay.
And I created it 100 years ago. Crazy effective.
Oh boy.
Wide stance. You're gonna hold that wide stance plie squat. Here's the good news. You're not going up on your toes. Hands behind your head, core nice and tight. Step back, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Keep your weight in your heels. Who's feeling it?
Oh yeah.
I'm feeling it.
Keeping
Where are you
that
feeling it,
turnout is
Rachel?
hard.
I'm forcing my inner thighs. I'm wrapping in my inner thighs. So
Land
I'm
in the
feeling it
heels.
right
Make sure
in
you're
my brain.
anchoring in your heels, guys.
Oh, yeah.
Anchor in your heels. Whew. Get it out of your quads, inner thighs, and the lower part of your butt.
Oh my goodness.
See 30 seconds.
Lovely.
Hoo-ah. That's it. It's now or
This is a
never.
good one to play with kids, right?
See?
Yeah, right? Yeah, the kids, the whole family joins in for the platypus.
No excuse, guys. No excuse.
Oh my goodness.
Brains in your ass.
Woo!
2. Whew.
The double bounce at the end gets you.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
My thighs are
Yeah.
shaking.
Hoo-ha. This is it. One more time. Hold that. Arms down. Shake it out.
Woo! Oh my gosh, yeah.
Great job, guys. But before we're done, we're gonna stretch. Cool down and stretch
Awesome.
is really important.
Let's do it.
Important for your muscles, but also I'd like to take this time to think about what I've just done, what I've just
Yeah.
accomplished, right?
Feel good about that.
You should feel great about that. Bottom of your feet together. Hands behind you, pressing down, working your inner thighs. Core nice and tight. I'm gonna sit up a little more higher, get in there, and breathe. The power of breathing, connecting your brain and your body. Take the right leg straight out. Reach down towards your right foot and bring your chin down towards your knee. Don't look at me and do this thinking you can do it if it's too much. If you need to bend your leg a little bit, do that. And as you get more flexible, you can take it down lower and lower. Switch legs.
Oh, I like that through my back too, because
Right?
I can feel
Great
that.
stretch.
Most people don't give themselves this reward, but it's like so important to get ready for that next workout.
You can't stop short, and you're doing your body a total injustice,
Yeah.
right? You're not, you gotta honor it, right? You've just blasted it.
Yeah, that's it.
All right, so reach down. I feel this, the base of my spine, right? The lower back, right into my butt, my lower back.
This is my favorite part.
Let's stand up. Feet shoulder width distance apart.
Legs are a little jello.
Shake it out a little bit. Arms up. Again, arms up. Into the side. Obliques and lower back. Other side. And if you can, reach down towards the floor. Palms down. Sitting back. I get extra credit, I did, for doing 2 seconds. Arms right here. Slowly up.
You snuck in another exercise,
I
right?
did.
Yes!
I did. Rachel, great
Yeah,
job.
thank you.
Thank you so
Great
much,
job.
David. You're the man.